Furry, the little penguins that could. Written by Ann Yurchek and illustrated by Jody Culp. Chapter 23, Snow Piles Are Growing. Now that there are 2 penguins, Snack and Furry, plus a whole classroom of penguins, the kindergarten can be confusing. Life gets confusing, and that is okay. Confusing is no reason to get frustrated. It happens to everyone. Don't worry, we can work through this complication. Meep, meep, meep. When you do not know an answer or what to do, ask a grown-up. Even stuffies ask teacher to help us. Everyone asks questions, and we all get confused. Sometimes even penguins. If you need help, ask a grown-up. Teacher was smart. You cannot have so many stuffies with so many children and not get mixed up, especially when we all look exactly alike. Even Stuffy Penguin had a tag with the little's name on it. My tag says, Mac. I belong to Mac. After Christmas, Mac and I learned from home all the time so that Mac could stay healthy. Mac's doctor said it was not safe to be at school. Every day, Mac and I went to school at Mac's computer in his kitchen. Mac sat on his rolly chair, and I sat on Mac, and we watched the screen together. Most days, the school sent a teacher who taught Mac and I more lessons at the kitchen table. Mac loved school, and especially the children. It can be a hard job to stay home because you miss all your friends. Seeing your friends on the computer is not the same as being together in person. When Mac struggles to see, we had to listen very carefully to hear what penguin friend was talking. Many days, the littles' backpacks were stuffed with their stuffy penguin who visited the classroom. All the new little penguins had names. When you get your own special child, you get a name too, like Furry and like Snack. When that happens, our Stuffin' fill with so much love, we become real. There was now a huddle of penguins to keep track of and a whole lot of meeping. Besides Snack, we now have 4 more penguins named Snack, plus Hot Wheels, and not to mention Twinkle Toes, and a whole snow pile of other names I will share when I remember them. Mac has Snack and me, and I have Mac and Snack and Mom. I have never had a mom before. Mac has Teacher who believes in Mac and Stuffies. Teacher had earned Mac's trust so he could learn. Mom and Teacher work together to help Mac learn best. They believe in inclusion. Inclusion is when you include everyone with all abilities. No one is left out. Oh, can you tell me how Furry and Snack help Mac talk with his friends? Mom and Teacher had another plan. Together, they are double trouble, like Snack and me, Furry. Oh, I mean, they are not double trouble. Together, they are double smart. After all, 2 heads are better than 1, but they don't have 2 heads. They each have their own head. I guess what I mean is they think things through together to come up with good ideas to solve a problem. Teacher and mom now talk to each other about penguins? Grown-ups talking about stuffies? I overheard them say that penguins are a bridge to help Mac talk to children. Bridges connect things that are far apart. So I guess we help connect Mac to the littles. Mac loves penguins. Children with autism have favorites. Mom knows that by using favorites to teach new things, it helps kids like Mac learn. Mac and the children now all have a penguin, and no one should ever be left out of adventures. I am with Mac all the time, and I love my adventures. I ride in big airplanes. I sit on Mac's lap on boat rides. I help him paint. I go everywhere he goes. My favorite is playing in the snow. I sit on top of a toy snowplow to help Dad plow the driveway at the lake house. I do much better in snow than I do in sand. Sand gets stuck in my furry, fuzzy feathers. I found that out by sitting on the sandy beaches by the ocean. Sometimes I get so dirty, even I need a bath. Getting a stuffy wet is a big problem, but Mom can fix it with a bath in the big washing machine. Mac sits and watches while I tumble and tumble around and around with tears in his eyes. Tumbling is very different than waddling. Mom says everyone needs a bath. I tell Mac it is fun. It's just like the rides at the amusement park or our county fair. I do more than comfort and help Mac feel safe. Mac discovered when he holds me, his arm does not flap like a penguin. His arm is steady. Holding me, he can even use his finger better on the talking picture tablet Mac calls Buddy. Buddy, the talking picture tablet, helps Mac learn. Buddy teaches to Mac's ears since Mac's eyes play tricks on him. Anything is possible when Mac learns with Buddy. And guess what? When Mac walks with me and holds me in his arms, he can waddle without falling. I love to see the big world as Mac hugs me tight. Together, we are learning to do things. And I, Furry, help Mac talk to Mom and talk to teacher and talk to helpers. The more we talk, the more Mac can speak. Learning to do new things takes practice, and for us, talking began with our first meep. I can be a very noisy penguin. Meep, meep, meep. I say it all day long, and the grown-ups and children know that I can speak to Mac. Teacher asks, Furry, what is the answer? Mom asks, what letter is this, Furry? Therapist asks, Furry, what does Mac think? And I, meep. Well, sometimes I don't meep. Sometimes I use real words. You see, I talk for Mac, and Mac meeps for me. We have each other's backs. Mouths and beaks. Mom asks me a question, and then she asks Mac to translate what I said. Mac tells her the answer. Mom asks me, meep, meep? Then Mac answers with words. Mac and I are a team. Mom discovered that when she talks to me, Mac has time to answer, and it helps him relax. Then he can make his mouth work. Mom whispers to me, "Good job, Furry." Mac has a lot of helpers in his life. His helpers help us figure out how we need to support Mac. Some help him learn to play, and some help him learn to use his mouth. There are helpers for his hands and helpers to make him stronger. He has helpers to show him how to be a friend. Mac's speech helper saw that Mac could talk through me. It gave her a brainstorm. That is an idea in her brain, not a rumbling thunderstorm of feelings. She helped to get Mac a talking box. With the talking box, Mac began to be able to speak with friends. Mac does things differently. He is a great teacher, and he helps everyone learn new ways to do things differently. We all have learned so much helping Mac. I, Furry, am Mac's inseparable buddy. That means I stick to him like glue. I must be his favorite helper. Best friend. Sorry, Snack.